यहाँ पर इस तरह की मसाज करती है and then she pulls everything upwards. 1 2 3 and then what she does, she press here, 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 here and in the end like this. ये आंख थोड़ी बड़ी और ये छोटी लग रही है आपको? There is a brightness under it और यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल नजर है. As you can see now. Assalamu alaikum beautifuls, how are you today? Do let me know in the comment section that how are you doing today. So in today's video, I'm going to review a very tiny product. That is this tiny Kristine's glowing serum, and you can see the bottle is empty. I have already opened it and used it, and I don't know how to tell you that because you have to watch my video क्योंकि there is a suspicious thing going on. So उसका रिजल्ट भी आपको साथ बताती हूँ. So yeah, let's start the अच्छा जी, ये इतनी छोटी सी है, कहाँ से मिलेगी, कितने की है, ml कितना है, इसके अंदर क्या है कि ये इतनी थोड़ी दे रहे हैं. So yeah, let's take a closer look of this product first.
अच्छा, मैंने ये बॉटल लोकल मार्केट से बाय की थी. आई थिंक इट वाज लाइक 80 रुपीज़. अच्छा, इससे पहले मार्केट में क्रिस्टाइन सीरम की फुल बॉटल अवेलेबल थी, बट नाउ दे हैव कम विद दिस टाइनी बॉटल. अच्छा, ये क्लेम ये करते हैं कि इट्स अ कम्बिनेशन ऑफ पावर हाउस एजेंट्स और ये एक्सट्रैक्ट्स वाइटामिन हैं इसके अंदर, स्किन केयर रूटीन को एलिवेट करते हैं टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. इट कंटेन्स मिक्सचर्स ऑफ वाइटामिन्स, नाइसिनामाइड, लिक्रिश जिसको मुलेठी भी कहते हैं, एक्सट्रैक्ट्स, और ये आपकी स्किन को प्लम्प अप करता है, मॉइस्चराइज करता है, फाइन लाइंस को ख़त्म करता है. इट विजिबली डिमिनिशेस द पोर्स एंड डार्क स्पॉट्स टू गिव योर स्किन अ रेडिएंट, फेयर एंड ब्राइटर स्किन्स. क्लेम्स तो बहुत सारे करता है भाई. लेट्स अप्लाई ऑन द फेस कि ये वाकई इस तरह के काम करता है कि नहीं.
This is a total different process of doing my facial using this kind of serum. I don't know if anyone have ever used this or not, but I'm going to use this serum in every process of the facial, so I will get its benefit in all the way. अच्छा, कई तो होता है कि ऐसी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने पर आपकी स्किन पे रिएक्शन हो जाता है. वो क्यों होता है? बिकॉज योर स्किन इज नॉट यूज ऑफ दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड पावरफुल chemicals. You can call it chemical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this in the cleanser, scrubber, massager, toner and the face mask, and after that I'm going to apply this on my bare face. उससे क्या होगा कि मेरा जो स्किन होगी ना, it will not get that reaction. The first step is cleansing like any other facial product, but before that I'm going to open this mini bottle in front of you. It's this mini and इसके ऊपर एक ऐसा flap है. You have already seen its closer look, but I want to open in front of you. Okay, it's quite hard to open it and it's one time open. एक दफ़ा open हो जाएगी तो ये दोबारा बंद नहीं हो सकती. So it's like you have to use it in one go, and बस इतनी थोड़ी सी है कि एक ही go में इस्तेमाल हो जाए, वो भी पूरी आ जाए तो बड़ी बात है. So okay, so I finally take off its upper part. ये एक, oh it's a good thing there is a rubber in it. Yeah, we can seal it again. I was afraid कि शायद ये दोबारा बंद ना हो. Yeah, it's like this. It's a screw top and you can seal it again. So yeah, let's begin with the cleansing. Okay, I have tons of video about cleansing because I never knew about what is cleansing and the proper way to cleanse your face. It is so important that I think Huda Beauty, I have to give that credit to her. I watch her, I follow her, and she was the one person that really emphasizes on cleansing your face before applying any facial product. क्योंकि अगर आप अपने चेहरे से वो डर्ट और वो गंद ही नहीं रिमूव करोगे, then how do you expect to get the full benefits of the product? You are investing your money and it will give you benefits. इसी के लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ क्रिस्टाइन का क्लेंजर. Seriously, I have stopped using Rivage cleanser after using this. Its price is in the description box, so don't forget to check out that. And take a small amount on your hand, and what you do, you apply on your face and you leave it on for like 15 to 30 seconds. क्या करेगा? It is an oil based cleanser, तो ये आपके स्किन पे जितनी dirt मैल है उसको मेल्ट कर देगा. And after that when you cleanse, you will get the full benefits of cleansing. Trust me. It's been 30 minutes and 30 seconds, sorry. Now it's been 30 seconds and I'm gonna cleanse my face with this brush and I loved it since I bought it. It's so convenient. It's amazing. Seriously, it's so convenient and you're gonna love it. Do invest in one of these brushes and yeah, I will link its price in the description. Remove the cleanser on a pad and you will be shocked how much dirt I had on my face. Wow. There is some leftover kajal. Toners are so much important for you because it prep your face for the next step. ठीक है? और टोनर्स को अपनी फेशियल रूटीन में ज़रूर शामिल करें because they open up your pores to make them clean. They open up your skin and make them ready for the next step. So I'm gonna apply this white glow toner by Professional series and of Christine. And yeah, कुछ नहीं करना, बस इस तरह लगाकर इसको अपने स्किन को ऐसे वॉश ऑफ कर देना. Okay, one thing I forgot is to put this serum in my toner, so I'm going to do that right now. So what you do, you take a very small amount on your hand and its consistency is really thick. Oh yeah, it's like a cream. It's not like a Biopos serum. It's very different. Not it's very different. It's just like that, but I don't know what's in it. I will tell. Okay. Okay. It smells like there is no particular smell. Move on to the. For the scrub, I'm going to use this Christine's facial skin polish. It's skin polish, but it does have some granules into it and it does give your skin a good polish. So I'm going to add that glow serum into this as well. Here's the serum and I'm going to add 1 drop as well. Yeah, let's see what happens. Scrubbing is done. I'm gonna wipe it off. I tell you, don't ever forget to massage your skin because it's very crucial. I'm gonna take some amount, and for that I am using Christine's product. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. I'm gonna add 1 drop of this glow serum into your massage. So I'm gonna mix this. And massage my face. अच्छा जी, कुछ मैं आपको मसाजिंग की टिप्स भी दे दूँ while we're doing massage. अपने hands को हमेशा इस तरह क्लॉ कर ले and take everything on a upper direction. ठीक है? जब आप पॉलर से करवाती हैं ना, तो जो पॉलर वाली होती है ना, वो आपकी बैक पे खड़ी होती है. So what she does, she pull everything upwards. ऐसे करती है ना वो? कभी नहीं कराया? Oh, you should done. It's very relaxing when someone else does this to your face. So what you do, you make a claw and you take everything upwards. खास कर ये eyebrows जो है, इसको ऊपर की तरफ pull करे. It's an exercise kind of thing and और यहाँ पर आपके wrinkles नहीं पड़ेंगे, आपकी ये वाली skin saggy नहीं होगी. So ये तो आप मतलब seriously face wash करते हुए भी ये step ज़रूर करें because eyes are the first things that get wrinkles. Trust me. अच्छा जी. Okay, now I do want to try one more step and that is when there is a Chinese I saw जिसमें वो अपने nose के यहाँ पर इस तरह की मसाज करती है and then she pulls everything upwards. 1, 2, 3 and then what she does, she press here, 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 here and in the end like this. ये आंख थोड़ी बड़ी और ये छोटी लग रही है आपको. देयर इज अ ब्राइटनेस अंडर इट और यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल्स नजर है. एज यू कैन सी मैं आपके सामने सब कुछ कर रही थी एंड आई एम गोना डू दिस साइड एज वेल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मेरे थोड़े से नेल्स बड़े हैं लेफ्ट हैंड के. 1, 2, 3, now this side is still much better. वो मैंने सही उस तरह प्रेशर नहीं लगाया क्योंकि मेरी ये नेल थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. आई कांट प्रेशर. एक दफ़ा फिर ट्राई कर लेते हैं. Much better. Does work. Now, an important question. Should we wash off our massage cream or not? It was this. अच्छा जी, हाँ भी मसाज क्रीम यूज़ को वॉश ऑफ करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन योर स्किन टाइप. अगर तो आपकी ड्राई स्किन है तो मत करिए. अगर आपकी ऑयली स्किन है मेरी तरह, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली वॉश इट. नाउ द लास्ट स्टेप इज़ टू अप्लाई अ फेस मास्क, और इसमें भी मैं generous amount ऐड कर रही हूँ. सो आई एम गोना मिक्स इट, एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी. अच्छा, मैं आपको इस मसाज के बारे में डिटेल से हिस्ट्री नहीं बता रही, बिकॉज आई डू हैव अ वीडियो ऑन इट दैट यू कैन check it out in this I button. Now the last step is to apply this serum as a moisturizer and as a whitening agent, and this way it's gonna help you give yourself a glow. Okay, now I'm gonna share my review about this कि ये really worth buying इतनी tiny product है कि नहीं. Now before that I was applying this with my facial products and I did not feel any kind of burning sensation, but now I have applied as its own. मैंने इसको खाली अप्लाई करके देखा है तो there is some हीटिंग प्रोसेस. जैसे ब्लीच करने पर आपको थोड़ी सी हीट स्किन पे महसूस होती है ना. नाउ इट इज़ गिविंग मी दैट काइंड ऑफ सेंसेशन, एंड आई विल पोस्ट इट्स रिजल्ट आफ्टर 1 or 2 days. You will see at the end of this video कि मैं कुछ अर्से बाद उसको बताऊंगी कि मुझे कोई रिएक्ट हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था. So yeah, this is my whole video. Hope you like my video. If you like, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take very good care of yourself and the loved ones around you. And before you leave, don't forget to check out this Christine facial video. In this video I have explained in detail about their facial product, and there are some other facial products that can be beneficial for you, and I do have a video of Biocos whitening serum, so you can also check it out over there. And Allah Hafiz guys.